Charlie. I'm from the beautiful seaside town of Herne Bay, Kent, England, and I moved to Texas about 5 years ago.
Hi, my name is Jade. I am 15 years old, and I was born here and raised in Texas, and I'm about to cross the Atlantic Ocean.
Hello, my name is Sean. I'm from Texas. This is Henry. He's a honey badger.
In October, we took an American Sailing Association course with Nautical Sailing in Grenada. We wanted more experience and a better understanding of all things that come with living on a sailboat. With completing ASA 101, 103, and 104, we feel so much more confident in our sailing ability. We now have that extra knowledge and a lot of fun memories. We had our good friend Fireman Cole come over to help us learn how to do an IV. Hopefully we will never ever need it, but if we are severely hydrated or we need fluids, we will be able to perform an IV on ourselves or each other. Lance Armstrong was such a good sport and was not hurt in the process of the training. If I ever need an IV, I hope that Jade is the one to administrate it to me because she did such a good job. Apparently, we all did a good job because what happens next is completely Cole's idea. Yep, Sean is about to stick a needle in Fireman Cole.
What's that?
Oh. So I think I might be finally down to the basics of what I'm taking, what I'm getting rid of. But who knew I had so much. Here is Captain Sean provisioning the necessities for our trip for 2 months.
If it tastes like, put some hot sauce on it.
Ta-da! The Texan is ready.
So you're going to be the designated cook and we have to do all the sailing?
Mm-hmm.
What?
No, I like sailing.
Okay, good.
Oh, meatless main dishes. That's what we're going to have every night. Macaroni and cheese, you love that. Cheesy zucchini enchiladas. Bohemian mac and cheese. Oh god, this is also good. Cheesy vegetable casserole. You guys love cheese. Lasagna. Just go her in the area. This is completely Sean's idea, so I will give him 100% full credit, but he got us a barrel so we can make our own rum. How was that? Did it taste good? What the fuck? I wasn't allowed any sear or mist. I had to do it straight and then swig your spit down beer.
I just didn't give you any.
You like it?
Yeah, it's smooth.
Sounds it. So we were going to have an estate sale and try and sell most of the stuff in the house, but it's a lot of effort and kind of running out of time, so we decided to Goodwill everything, pretty much everything that we want to get rid of, and give it to somebody who needs it a little bit more than we do. So this is hopefully our last ever Goodwill run. And there's not much in there. So, yeah.
Hey, remember these? I have the Little Mermaid. I have the Fox and the Hound. I have Bug's Life.
You know, we can take this on the boat because Tom Hanks in Castaway tied his life raft together with videotape.
Oh, we might need that. Good point.
Well, howdy, I'm a cowboy. Bang, 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 bang. Shoot, 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 bullet, bullet gun.
Man, I'm gonna miss Texas. Maybe we can find ourselves some sea cows. Bags are packed, house is empty.
Yep.
Next step is to fly to Spain to buy a boat.
With a bunch of crap.
To survey the boat to see if we even want it.
With a bunch of crap.
Hopefully it floats.
We're getting it if it floats. Oh, I've got a beautiful bunch of coconuts.
Hey, keep a watching YouTube.